Hello guys and welcome to Nailist. Today I'm going to show you how to do this very spooky and beautiful Halloween set.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
So we're starting by prepping our natural nail. I get rid of the crusties over here and then buff my nails with a new buffer. We're going to be doing some gel X type of nails and I am wiping off all the dust on my fingers. Dehydrate them using a dehydrator. And now I'm going to use this Macart peel-off coat because I want to get rid of the nail extensions whenever I want to change them up. So we'll be using 2 coats of that. And with my rubber base, I'm going to be sticking the tips. I've already measured them. This is coffin and they're pretty long. Here I tried to turn my UV lamp upside down, but it was not really working for me. You will see me struggling. Finally, my mom thankfully helped me. And here we go. I'm curing for 60 seconds, 55 actually. And now I'm trying to fade the extension into my cuticle line with a cuticle bit. Some final shaping. And wipe the dust, we don't want no dust. And food break. Okay, so this is the colors that I'll be working with. We're starting with this glittery red. It's jelly, so you can see through it. I'm using some white for my silver mirror effect. And this we're gonna turn into a matte white one. And after white, some black. This black writes so well. And I figured for the thumb I can do like a French tip, but with black glitter. Second coat. I'm putting some non-wipe glossy top to wrap my mirror powder. You want to make this coat very even. And here, the second coat of the white. This is actually very opaque, so we didn't really need it, but you know. Add a second layer of black. Oops. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am literally going crazy for this color. I actually did all my right hand. You can't see it on the video, but you can see it at the final result. I painted all of my right hand with this. Rubbing in the mirror dust really good. Unfortunately, when I was wiping the remains off, the brush was a little harsh. I took some of the product out. Well, we'll know it for the next time. And some glossy one on this. I'll be adding some dripping blood details. That actually gave me quite a pain. But yeah, we finally made it. I'm putting some matte top coat on the black one and some glossy one on the Frenchie. Some more detail with some glossy top for the drips. You'll actually see me put some darker red later. And over here you see I kind of messed up with the thick coat, so I buffed it off. Here I'm gonna be putting some beautiful bats. This is just so cute. It took me quite some time because I needed a thicker product. I would suggest if you have a rhinestone glue, just use that. I ordered one after this. Coffee break. I wanted to use this white pen. It's supposed to be like acrylic color or something like that, but it didn't really work. So I just made the outline of Ghostface, and you'll see me just paint it with normal white after it was kind of dry. So the idea here is to have the background matte black, and then the whole ghost face is going to be sparkly white, and the eyes and the mouth and the nose are going to be glossy black. Here, some darker red for more dimension. And let's create our mask. Sorry, it was a little out of focus here. I'll make up for it. And I'm going to be adding some rhinestones all across the Frenchie. Let's go. Making sure everything is even. Cure, cure, cure. I'm adding one more in the eye. And now, sparkly. And the final details. Voila! Hi, Doggo. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to do this Ghostface spooky nails. And happy Halloween! Don't forget to subscribe! Peace.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more